Hello, welcome to another session with me, Aruna Dantavhaktuni. In today's session, we will learn about how to use the commands break and next in a for loop. Before we take a deeper dive into it, let us refresh our memory of what we had learned about for loops. The first thing we're going to be doing here is we're going to be picking the first 25 rows of the Indometh data and print that. So let's do that here. So this is our data set, wherein it contains subject ID, time, and concentration. To understand the use of the commands break and next, let's assume that lower limit of quantification of your bioanalytical assay is 0.1. So what we would like to look at is, does this data set contain any concentration values which are less than your lower limit of quantification? And you also do not want the program to move any further, in which case you could use the command of break, which is as soon as the program hits a value which meets that criteria, it will stop. It won't proceed any further. So let's see, what do we get? So as you can see, row number 9, I think, did not meet that. So the program stopped. So that is the use of break. What I mean is that for loop will end and the program will continue. Now let's say that you do not want to end your loop and want to continue the process. In that case, you would be using the command next. So the difference, we'll get to the difference. Let's see what happens when you use the next command. When you use the next command, the for loop will continue. And let me show you what happens. As you can see, all those rows that met that criteria wherein the LLOQ was less than 0.1, they were excluded from the analysis. Okay, so the loop did not stop, it continued. However, if you were to use the break command, the loop stops. So that is the difference between break and next. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our future tutorials.